Hello lovelies, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I'm going to be showing you a newly renovated townhouse located in San Miguel de Salinas. We are just a few minutes drive away, 10 minutes to be exact, in a beautiful beach in Pilar de Rodada. This townhouse offers a plot of 142 square meters and the house itself is 107 square meters. It offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, is distributed on 2 floors and has great outdoor spaces. But can I just say that we're kicking off the season here in the summer and look at the beautiful expanse of beach that you can enjoy not too far from this property. So without further ado, let's start the video. Coming into the property from the pedestrian entrance, I'm going to take you into this lovely cute townhouse, which is in this quiet residential area. It opens into what is the front and also the private gardens for the home to enjoy. What they've done here is kept it very minimal maintenance by having these artificial lawned areas and also the stone paving at the front. You can see that it leads really nicely to the front door, and it also gives you a really great porch if you're wanting a shaded space for entertaining, lounging or even dining. But I do think that this space would really work with a little bit of landscaping, some plants and just a touch of love. Nevertheless, it takes you to the front door, which is from here. Hello. So as I come in through the main entrance, I'm coming through a white security door into directly an open living room and dining room. Together the space as you enter is 24 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.5 meters. And as you can see, it's a warm and inviting space. Now the house does actually come fully furnished, so it does come as you see. On the right side of me, this is the dining spot, and it currently has a dining table set to dine 6. It also overlooks patio doors that open and give you direct access to the front gardens. And then on the other side, it leads to your open living room. This living room is fantastic in the sense that it gives you nice light, plenty of space for a good sectional, and also a space there for your television. You also have your intercom for your front door just here. And then you also have a door that leads to your downstairs laundry room. This could also be used as a storage room for your personal items. So now I'm going to come into the main parts of the home and show you some more. And I'm going to take you into the separate kitchen. This kitchen is 16 square meters, and you have on one side a window that gives you views of your rear terrace. And then you also have the space actually in a very square type of formation. You have on this side your appliances, so you have your refrigerator and freezer. You also have your microwave and oven, your cooker with your integrated extractor, and also your dishwasher and the kitchen sink. Now the kitchen has been renovated recently and all the appliances are included and they happen to be Belay. On this side you also have a great storage facility as your pantry, and it also houses your boiler. So now I'm going to take you to the first bedroom on this floor, which is also a room that could be used quite easily as an office. This bedroom is 10 square meters. On one side you have your integrated wardrobes, and on the other wall you have large patio doors that lead to the same rear garden terrace. So as you come out, and the exterior space, it gives you here an additional 18 square meters of terrace. It does need, in my opinion, a little bit of tender loving care, the exterior of the property, to bring it in line to give you that cozy feeling that the interior also has. But it's nice to have doors open and to also have space from the outside, at least, on both sides of the home. Coming into the space once more, I'm now going to show you the guest bathroom, which has also been done and is fully equipped. Taking you up the stairs to the first floor, and this floor has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. So as I go along the hall into the first bedroom, it is light and bright with a similar interior feel. This bedroom is 11 square meters, and on one side you have windows that give you views of the natural landscape. You also have on the other side a mirrored fitted wardrobe, and then there is also a door that leads very nicely to a lovely space that is now your ensuite bathroom, fully equipped. Coming out of this bedroom into the third bedroom, and this bedroom is what you would consider the primary. This bedroom is 13 square meters and has a similar interior feel. On one side you have your mirrored fitted wardrobes, as well as a door that leads to your ensuite bathroom, which I will show you in a moment. And then you also have a door that leads to your private terrace, giving you views of your garden below. Taking you to the ensuite bathroom, you can see that it is also modern, bright, and fully equipped. Now I'm going to come out back into the hall, and I'm going to show you a little bit more closely the upper terraces. I do like that the properties give you the option of various outdoor spaces on all levels. And as I said, it is one of those kind of things where, with a little bit of TLC, you could really make this outdoor space your own. A perfect spot for sun lounging or even for dining outside should you want to. But it does give you views of where you are and also your gardens below. With the property also comes this garage. So you have a parking space here and also a storage room that you can use to your will. It's well illuminated. As you can see, it's very spacious, and each car has a designated spot for parking. So here I am in Mil Palmeras, a popular beach located here in Pila de Arodada. This is a blue flag beach that has fantastic facilities, as you can see. They have sun loungers to hire. They also have lifeguards on site, chiringuitos to enjoy having a bite to eat and a quite nice refreshment, and also it's family friendly. So come on, get your flip-flops on, let's get our swimming costumes on and let's go. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €250 per year, plus an extra 60 for the garage. You also have the community fee, which is €630 per year, and also the refuse, which is €150 per year. As you can see, the property was built a while ago, so it was built in 2007 and it was refurbished again in 2024. It does come fully furnished, and there are certain specifications that are also included. For example, you have your intercom, you also have air conditioning, shutters both in the living room and the kitchens and all the upstairs rooms as well. And you also have great proximity to various things in the area. You have golf courses within 9 kilometres and 6 actually to choose from. You also are within 2 kilometres of all your amenities like your supermarkets, pharmacies, cafes, bars and schools. And then within 9 kilometres you have some of the best beaches in this location. So if you like the property and you'd like to know more, then do come to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It was lovely seeing you again, and I can't wait to see you soon. Hasta pronto!